Hello, this is Teacher Viola again for another teaching video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, comment, like, and share to your family and friends if they want to improve their pronunciation and accentuation. Let's start. In this video, we are going to talk about another Schwa sound. But this one is a little different from the previous video about the short A sound or the short Schwa sound. This Schwa sound is present in the word doctor, doctor. How do you produce the sound? To produce the sound, we have to relax our articulation like the previous one. So this relaxed vowel, or what we call the schwa sound, your lips should be relaxed, again, not rounded, not spread. Let your tongue rest in the center of your mouth without touching any part of your mouth, like this sound, or the short A sound. So again, let's breathe. Let's breathe out and let your vocal cords vibrate. Then say ah or e. Again, say ah or e. But remember, this schwa sound is a reduced vowel sound. Reduced, not removed. Again, you have to remember that this vowel sound is reduced vowel sound, not removed vowel sound. Okay? So when you say the word doctor, you don't hear the same length of O, even though you have two O's succeedingly. Doctor, doctor. So the second syllable where there's another O, that O represents this schwa sound. Again, the first one is a real O sound, doc, sound, doctor. The second one is a schwa sound. To demonstrate, let's practice in words. So let's study the first column first, one word at a time. The first word we say, cur. You can now notice that the first syllable where there's letter O is longer than the second syllable where there is U. Occur, occur. So could you say it? Occur, occur, occur. Or you can say occur, occur. But normally we say occur, occur. So I told you the production of the sound is an or an e. So occur. So let's go to the second word. This one is familiar word for most of us, but we say normally over, over. It's over now. But actually, there's a schwa sound between these two vowel sound, O and E. I will produce the word first, over, over. So where do you think is the schwa sound or the reduced vowel sound? Over, over. Yes, it's in E. The E here is a reduced schwa sound. So we say over, over. That's why sometimes they say over, over. Because, for example, in some English countries, they don't produce the final R sound. So this one becomes over, over. Because of the, normally, before the R sound, the L sound, the M sound, and the N sound is a schwa, reduced schwa sound. Okay? So the third word is, I will read first, visitor, visitor. It's your turn. Again, visitor. Okay, the next word is actor. Actor. Your turn. Actor. Very good. Let's go to the next word. The next word is murder. 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 Your turn. Next word is refer. 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 Your turn. Next word is stir. 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 Your turn. Next word is fur. 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 Not fair coat, but fur coat. Okay. Second column, I will read first the word modern. Your turn. External. Your turn. Surgeon. Your turn. Certain. Your turn. Journey. Your turn. Further. Your turn. World. Work. Third column. Turn. Earn. Early. Urgent. Urban. Earn. Urge. Earth. Serve. Church. Earn. Perhaps. Learn. Word. Monday. Good job. You did it well. Again, remember that these words normally the vowel before R, before L, before N, and before M are schwa sound. And this schwa sound is a reduced vowel sound. So we don't produce that syllable with equal length with the other syllable if you see that the vowel in that syllable is a schwa sound. Well, I presented you some simple words, but there are longer words with a lot of schwa sound in there. So when we produce the sound, we don't produce the same length of sound or syllables in the sound production. Well, as we go further, we are going to study syllable length. And in there, you will be practiced on how to say or differentiate the syllable length in a word. For now, let's go to the phrases. I will read first and you follow me. About major. One more time. About major. So we don't say about. We say about, because the A sound there is a schwa sound. So it's a reduced sound, about. Sometimes they remove the sound altogether, particularly in pop songs. You can only hear about. So about. And also the O in major is a schwa sound. So you have to say major, major. So about the major. Okay. What about the next? We say agree with teacher. One more time. Agree with teacher. Again, your A and the E sound before R is a schwa sound. So this phrase is agree with teacher. Okay. Let's go to the next word. Among the helpers. One more time. Among the helpers. One more time. Among the helpers. Okay. Let's go to the next. Come again. Come again. We don't say come again. We say come again. Why? Because the A in again is a schwa sound. Let's go to the next. Don't agree. Don't agree. The A again is a schwa sound, so don't agree. We go to the next. We say delicate operation. One more time. Delicate operation. One more time. Delicate operation. Again, I will do word by word. Delicate. Why? The I in lay is a schwa sound. So we don't say delicate. We say delicate. Delicate. So when you slide, even if you don't pronounce, if the schwa sound is in the middle of two syllables, you normally produce it, even though you don't intentionally produce the sound, like delicate, delicate. Okay? Here we have the next word, operation, operation. So we have the ER there. So the E is a schwa sound. So operation. We don't say operation. We say operation. Okay, go to the next phrase. We have here deliberate decision. One more time, deliberate decision, decision, deliberate, deliberate. Why? Because we have a schwa sound in deliberate, the second E. The E before R is a schwa sound, so deliberate. And then we have decision, decision, decision. So deliberate decision. Come again. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not come again. It's come in. Not come in, but come in. Because the I is a reduced sound. Do you remember that we talked about content and function words in the previous videos? You can go back in my channel and you can find function and content words, and maybe you can watch that so that you would understand further when I say that in is a function words, therefore it is reduced sound, reduced vowel sound. And then we have the next phrase. Never sober. We say never sober. Never sober. Why? Never is not never. So ne and ver did have the same syllable length because we have an E before R. Therefore, the E before R is a schwa sound. Even with sober, the E before R is a schwa sound. Therefore, we say never, never, sober, never sober. Okay? Next, we have good comprehension. Again, good comprehension. Why? We have actually H is a semi-vowel in the English language. Therefore, if this is a semi-vowel, we have a succeeding three vowels, E, H, and E. So we can just produce one, and that is E sound. So comprehension. And since it's before N, it's a schwa sound. And then we have O before N, which is another schwa sound. Therefore, we say good comprehension. We don't say comprehension because here pre, pren, right? Comprehend. And then we don't say Sean, but we say shin because what is left is S-I-N, S-I schwa N. Therefore, the S-I is sh, and N, sh, and sh, and sh. Okay? So good comprehension. Let's try from the top. First column, bow the major. Agree with teacher. Among the helpers. Come again. Don't agree. Second column, delicate operation. Deliberate decision. Come in. Never sold. Good comprehension. Okay, let's go to the phrases sentence passage. So this passage is actually a tongue twister. So relax so that we can relax our mouth muscle. Okay? Because to come up with a good schwa sound, you have to relax your mouth. So let's read this tongue twister. First, let's read it slower. And as we read it, we are reading it faster and faster and faster. Okay? So let's start. When a doctor falls ill, another doctor, doctor's a doctor. Does the doctor, doctoring the doctor in his own way, or does he doctoring the doctor the doctor in the way the doctor's way? Again, when a doctor falls ill, another doctors the doctor. Does the doctor in the doctor in his own way, or does he doctor the doctor in the way the doctor's way? One more time. When a doctor falls ill, another doctors the doctor. Does the doctor in the doctor in his own way, or does he doctor in the doctor the doctor in the way the doctor way? Can you do it faster? You can practice and you can do it perfectly. So again, you have to produce this one sound with relaxed mouth. Okay? Relax your muscles and you don't touch anything inside your mouth when you produce it. And it should be shorter than the other syllables. Okay? That would make the variation of your syllables a lot better and more beautiful than before. Good luck, and I'll see you again in another teaching video.